ma'am. See, it's such an amazing example which will push you to go in this section. It is said that the art of an artist, dancing is an art, and not everyone is an artist. But this art literally brought a change in me. It is said that if you want to do something else, and if you are able to see the same kind of person in front of you, like there is an artist within everyone. And today, my own artist, my soul, it said me that this is the example that literally helped me to go in my journey. And when I asked her a question, that ma'am, while you used to perform the dance, which type of thought, which type of feeling you used to feel? She said, I don't used to count the steps, I don't used to see the time. I only love to watch, to do my dance in front of my audience after getting the blessings of God. And I used to perform my dance because of my own interest in it. So anything in this world is related with your interest, enthusiasm, and your self-manifested thoughts. So today I am here with the one thought that brought a kind of revolutionary thought in me, and that is I salute the artist, and also I want to be a good artist. Whatever the field, whatever the sector, it doesn't matter, but I will keep my artist alive. Thank you.